How to fix Facebook verification code not arriving on your Android device. First of all, simply open your Messages app and tap on the three vertical dots and go to the settings. From here, tap on block numbers and spam and tap on block numbers. Now, if you see the list, if you see any Facebook, simply try to unblock it. Next, simply head back and go to the search bar of your message section and type for Facebook over here. Now go to the past conversations and tap on it. Now try sending a message if you're able to send. Try sending like on and see if it first triggers a message system. Next, simply close the application from the menu and long press on the app and go to the app info section and scroll down to the storage section and tap on clear case at the bottom. Now head back and tap on force stop at the end. Tap on OK. Now close all the application from the menu. Now simply go to your verification login page and try sending the code again and it's to fix the problem. If not, then try clearing the case of the Facebook app also. Go to the app info, go to the storage section and tap on clear case and head back one step and tap on force stop and tap on OK. And that's it, fix your problem. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.